Did you know that over 40% of engine failures are caused by improper oil change procedures? That's right. Nearly half of all catastrophic engine failures could have been prevented with proper oil maintenance. And the worst part? Most people are making these deadly mistakes without even knowing it. In this video, you will learn the 5 common oil change mistakes you need to avoid. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Cold engine oil changes. Here's a massive mistake I see. Changing oil when the engine is completely cold. Listen up, because this is crucial. You need to warm up your engine for 2 to 5 minutes maximum before an oil change. The reason for this is cold oil is thick and sluggish. It doesn't drain properly, leaving old, contaminated oil in your engine. Think about it. Would you rather have 90% of your old oil removed, or just 70%? That remaining 30% of dirty oil? It's destroying your engine with every mile you drive. Mistake number 2. Not changing the oil filter. People changing their oil but keeping the old, clogged filter. Here's the truth. That old filter is holding up to a cup of contaminated oil. It's like taking a shower but putting your dirty clothes back on. Your fresh, clean oil is being contaminated by that dirty filter from the very first startup. And the cost of a new filter? Usually less than $15. Is saving $10 worth risking your entire engine? Mistake number 3. The extended oil interval. Now, this one's controversial, but I'm going to tell you the truth that manufacturers won't. Yes, modern synthetic oils have improved. Yes, manufacturers claim 10,000-mile intervals are fine. But here's what they mess with, they won't tell you, those extended intervals. They're designed for ideal conditions. But let's be real, you're not driving in ideal conditions. 1. You're dealing with stop-and-go traffic. 2. Short trips that don't allow full warm-up, varying fuel quality, and extreme temperature. The real sweet spot? 5,000 miles. Maximum. Oil is cheap, engines are expensive. A $40 oil change every 5,000 miles could save you from an $8,000 engine replacement. Mistake number 4. The double gasket disaster. This mistake is so dangerous, yet so common. When changing your oil filter, the old O-ring gasket can stick to the engine. If you don't catch this and install the new filter with its new gasket, you've just created a ticking time bomb. 2 gaskets means no proper seal. Your engine will pump out all its oil in minutes. I've seen engines destroyed because of this one simple oversight. Always check for the old gasket before installing the new filter. Mistake number 5. Overfilling the engine oil. Here's a mistake that comes from good intentions, but leads to disaster. Some people think adding extra oil will provide extra protection. Wrong. Overfilling your oil is like overinflating your tires. It doesn't help. It hurts. Excess oil gets whipped into a foam by the crankshaft, leading to 1. Reduced oil pressure, 2. Increased engine temperature, and 3. Severe engine damage. These 5 mistakes might seem simple, but they're responsible for countless engine failures. The good news? They're all completely avoidable. Just remember, warm engine, fresh filter, 5,000-mile changes, check for double gaskets, and never overfill. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and share.